What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Dandy from Dandy's World. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw a large circle for the head. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Let's start with the left side. We'll go all the way around, come down, and then bend that in towards the center of our page. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Going all the way around, come down, and I'm just going to blend that in towards the bottom. Now we're going to go to the inside and draw two smaller circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. Go all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, going around, leaving a gap along the outside, and then bending that in, and we'll line that up on the right, doing the same thing. Along the bottom of each eye, we're going to tuck a smaller circle underneath for the cheeks. So we'll start on the left. Draw that circle, going around, and then back in. And we'll move to the center and draw in the mouth. We'll start with a curve along the top, and then we want to round out the corners of the mouth, and bending that back in. And we'll close off the bottom with another curve. Let's separate the teeth, starting in the center with a straight line. Go out towards the side, angle this down and out. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each pupil. Now I want to surround the head with those 6 large petals, but we're going to start with the center seam first, starting right in the center with a straight line going up, line this up across the bottom. Now I want to add 2 more on either side. So on the top left, I'm just going to angle this up and out, line that up on the right. Now let's come down towards the bottom, angle this down and out. Now in between each of these lines, we're going to draw the top of the petals. So we're going to start right here with the top one going up, go around. I'm just going to pull that in towards the center in between these 2 lines. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. Find that center point, come around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's add 2 more on either side. So again, we're going to start right here, going up, rounding this out, and then pulling that in between. Now we're going to connect these 2 lines with another curve, the bottom petal. Let's repeat that over on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start on the left, bend the body, coming down, round this out, and then pull that up towards the right. Let's leave a large gap in the center, go left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to curve the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now move out, bend the leg, coming in and then up underneath the body. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the side of the petal, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now let's draw the outside of the arm. Start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down, around, just tuck that up underneath. Then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Dandy from Dandy's World. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.